Hi there, welcome to 1408 Dogwood Lane here in the heart of Osage Beach in one of the older, more established neighborhoods, Dogwood Park Estates. I can't wait to show this one to you. It's got not only 5 bedrooms and a 3-car garage, but a slip in the community dock and a lake view too. Let's check it out. This house lives huge with 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, plus it's been completely redone. Floor to ceiling, the floors, the paint, the lights, the cabinets, the countertops, the appliances, the roof, you name it, it's been redone and it's all ready for new owners. This house lives huge. It's a little over 2,600 square feet, but it feels much larger, including 3 different living areas, 2 dining areas, and a number of bedrooms and bathrooms. I want you to see it all. The lower level has a family room, 2 non-conforming bedrooms, and a bathroom that's been totally redone. Plus, this is where the 2-car garage comes up. So this is a double-sized lot with a garage on the main level and a garage here on the lower level as well. This listing also comes with a slip here in the community dock, including a hoist. They also offer community boat trailer parking and a community boat ramp over here also. For more information or book a private showing on this new listing, contact Krantz & Associates, 573-302-2355.